currently running late to class, so I don't have no time to talk. I'm about 5 minutes late. I got to run. I got to go. Put out my little pajama set. I'm just gonna wear a matching bra and panties to bed because I don't feel like having on no clothes. And yep, just my head stuff. My mom went to Burlington and bought my baby this cute little all over thing. I gotta pack this in her suitcase. If I could get to the top, y'all. Oh, here it is. I gotta pack this in her suitcase. It is so freaking adorable. But yeah, let me get all my school stuff out that I'm supposed to be working on some stuff when I get out of the tub. So let me go ahead and take that out. Yeah. So that's where we're at with things when I get out of my bed. I leave my bed made up. So I already got all my bags packed for the classic. So that's what that is. No shoes tomorrow because those were comfortable. I'm mixed matching my colors tomorrow. I'm gonna put on this blue one with the dark blue pants, and tuck it in. I think it's gonna be pretty good, so we'll see. All right, so it's Good Wednesday. We are ready to go. Gotta grab my school bag, gotta grab my purse, and I already have my lunch bag on me. All right, I'm making my coffee, my cute little Starbucks dupe that I got from Hobby Lobby. I am drinking the stock brew, cold brew coffee, bold and smooth, not too sweet black. Put it back up to here. Put my ice in there. All right, guys, I decided to pop on here. I know, turn my music down and my air down. I know I have not been on here to talk this whole vlog, basically. Today is Thursday. It is raining so hard where I'm from. I am headed to school to finally take that test that I have been going on and on and on and on and on and on and on about. I'm so excited because I feel so ready. And yeah, I'm just really ready. Like, I feel good. Hold on, let me let this car pass me because the way these roads are set up, it's wet and it's raining and people are acting crazy today. My hair fell a little bit because I took a nap. I thought I was gonna be testing earlier this morning. That wasn't the case. I got some more inventory in to try. I think I'm going to stock these chain rings. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Follow my TikTok, Life with Latravia 30, to see my day-to-day vlogs with ortho, school, all that stuff. When I come back from taking my test, I am going to reveal what I am going to school for. I'm geek, guys. I'm geek. So we are headed there, and today is gonna start, you know, our journey to something amazing, and I'm here for it. I'm excited for it. I feel like it's more than a long time coming. My support system is definitely there, so it's just time to get it done. My shirt says it all. My shirt says motivated. I've had to stay extremely motivated through this whole journey. It was not just a one and done for me, and that's okay because everybody's journey is different. So yeah, you guys know we've been at this school thing for quite some time. I hate that I have a double chin on camera, but I'm just gonna have to get over it because, like, I know I don't have a double chin. If you ever see me in person, you know I don't got a double chin. Like, I cannot stand that it does that in person. But it is also very hot because my windows are up and it is raining. So I am going to talk to you guys when I get out of school. So yeah. Look at the little trees they have. I don't know if I'm gonna get one or not, but they're cute. And then they have these paint your own tree. I'm definitely doing that for my daughter. That's so cute. And then they have the fake flock ones. Oh, I think that's so cute. Put it in so I can finish. So they're giving these free with holiday drinks. Isn't that the cutest thing? Messed up and showed you guys what I was getting, but I'm so yeah. So guys, it is the next day. I did not forget about you guys yesterday. I just decided to keep that little bit of news to myself. I will update you guys as time goes on. Oh my god, I love Christmas season. You guys know that. But I just left. My hair is so flat. I'm gonna have my mom flat iron it for me later. But yeah, we are headed to the post office. I have a whole bunch of packages that I need to get out to you guys. I'm so sorry for the delay, but I am getting it done. Don't forget I have the Cartier rings in stock, and the chain one is coming soon. So yeah, that's where we're at. I know, okay, no, I don't like that either. I know that probably, I hate that my hair looks all over the place. I just had the best business meeting ever. Like, I really hope we can work together. I have a second one on Monday, and I'm super excited to work with this company. I cannot wait. Shout out to Kayla K that I watch on YouTube. I cannot wait to try this Kaja gloss shot. I got it in milk tea. It reminds me of that Fantasia that ColourPop had for a while, and then it went away. I also needed a travel fragrance, another one. I take Jimmy Choo with me, but I want to try something else for fall to take with me. Excuse my AC, guys. So I got the YSL one. So, yep. That's all we got in our little baggie today. This is the collection I was looking for. It's like Black Girl Magic. I think it's too cute. But they're supposed to have black Santa Claus. And I don't see him. But I do see her, so I might get her because she kind of looks like my daughter. And they're only $5 too. I'm definitely gonna take these. They're only $3 for two, and that's my decor. I like this one, but I don't know. We're looking for the black Santa Claus. We have all these trees. Oh, I think this is so adorable. Huh. I'll probably come back for that one. See which one she wants as her countdown this year. Okay.
Do you have a pin for it?
No. So I know that I showed you guys how I make this on TikTok. So if you want the full how to make this, go back to TikTok. But it literally tastes like you're eating sushi. This is a seaweed. You get your seaweed from anywhere. I get mine from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna see if I can do this from my hand. But you basically like just put it in there like that. You roll it like this. And baby, when I tell you, it is so freaking good. Let me tell you guys something. This right here, definitely getting the bigger one. I'm glad I got this in the travel size so I can take it to like all the places I travel to. But I am 100% getting this in the big size. I love this. And baby girl is going right in my purse. Yes, I'm that extra mom. The elves have already arrived. You can see that the elf is holding the Christmas lights. And then we have some Christmas things to put on the window. And then to paint a Christmas tree. So, yeah. So I'm going to see how long it takes her to realize they're over here doing something. I just love the way it looks when I sit here and drink my coffee. Like, it gives me so much life, this little corner, this little nook in my house.